What's up, my radiant babes? Last night I was on Pinterest. I was scrolling through my feed and I saw this picture right here. And I was like, oh wow, those are really cute. You know, I'll probably buy something like that if I saw it in the store. Well, I decided that I'm going to make it. So I went and found all the white socks that I could find in my drawer. Today I'm going to be doing some DIY tie-dye socks. Now I'm not gonna only be doing just Nike socks. I also found a pair of some of these Adidas. I found a pair of these Adidas socks. I think I have two. I've got two pairs of these Adidas socks that I'm going to be dyeing. So I'm a little bit excited about that. I don't really wear these socks, but now I can dye them and I'll have an actual reason to wear them. Okay, so I'll be honest with you guys. Only 3 of them are mine. So Andrew, if you're watching this, you're welcome. So I was actually planning to go to Target, you know, weather the whole COVID storm. I was gonna wear my mask, I was gonna bubble wrap myself. I was ready to go. But then, you know, I went on Amazon just to be safe and I found this. So this is a tie-dye kit. It had really good ratings. It comes with all of these colors and apparently you can do about 30 projects. That's pretty exciting. So let's bust open this bad boy. I already kind of cut the tape because I don't like struggling on camera. And we're going to take this out. Ooh. This is what it looks like right here. Oh. Get back in there. This is what it looks like right here. These are all the colors. You literally just have to add water to it. And then the back comes with this little plastic here that's going to protect my counter because we're doing this in the kitchen today. And it came with a project guide to give you all kinds of general instructions on how to do this. We'll peruse over this even though I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. So thank you very much. Only thing I don't see in this kit are some plastic bags, but I have my own. And you're also going to need a bowl of water. Now you can't really see it, but this is a bowl of cold water. Just got any old bowl, it doesn't matter, it's a small bowl. I just need to soak my socks in it so that I can get my dye on there. These are pretty good, pretty snug. If you got some big hands, this is not going to work for you. I hope you have your own gloves on deck. Just a warning there. All right, so we are all gloved up. Let's get ready. I'm so excited. All right, so as you can see, I already have my plastic down, and these are the socks that I'm going to be tie-dyeing. These are mine. Actually, these are mine, and this is his, so he's gonna have a nice pair of socks now. Let's start with the first pair. I'm gonna move these over, and I'm going to take my bucket of cold water, and I'm just gonna soak my socks in the cold water. These are also Nike. Okay, these are also Nike, just in case you guys are wondering what that symbol was. I think that's pretty good. Squeeze the water out. Let's move that to the side. There we go. So I squeezed out the water in my socks. Now you just want to make sure that you have your rubber bands handy. I'm on the side there, however. All right, so now I'm just going to use scrunch and twirl method, I guess. So I'm just gonna scrunch, twirl, scrunch, twirl, scrunch, twirl. Like that. And I'm gonna get one rubber band here. Tie that around like so. I don't think there's any particular way to tie it down. Tie-dye is more of like a messy thing. All right, so now let's do the next little sock. All right, so that's done. Now I'm just gonna do the rest of the socks. Alright, so with this sock, I'm going to pinch it. So it's kind of smushed together like this. As you guys can see, I have it smushed like that. And I'm just going to rubber band each side like I did the previous one. I'm gonna make sure that my rubber bands are not in like the same spot. So it's kind of like crossed like that. Guess these are gonna be pink. So this one, I think I'm just gonna do rose style. And then once I get to this part where I can't do anything else, I'm gonna twist this part here. Twist this part here. And there goes my rose. Colors that I selected are these. I picked blue, green, red, and purple. We might add some more in there, we'll see, I don't know. But as for now, that's it. So let's start with the blue. All right, looks like we're ready. So here we go. Just gonna squirt it. So that's one. And I'm just gonna put it into a bag to separate it. And that one's done. Get in there. All right, and then probably some red. You can never go wrong with red. All right. Okay, those look pretty nice. Now we're just going to bag these bad boys up as well. In case you guys are wondering, green is my favorite color. Okay, you know, I think I want to do that last pair because I think I'm only doing 4, it looks like. Let these bad boys sit overnight and then I'll come back tomorrow and rinse them out. All right guys, so it is officially day 3. Things happened, so we had to wait an extra day to get this done. Gosh, I hope my socks are not all the way messed up. I know you're only supposed to leave it for like 24 hours max.
So slowly when we're faded, the summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you, without you.
Finally done with dyeing my babies and they came out pretty cute. I'm gonna show you what they look like now. So this was that colorful pair, the one that I did the 3 for. I think it came out pretty good, all things considered. So this is the first one. Here's my second baby. She came out pretty cute. And then, you know, after those first 2 came out, it started going a little down here from there. Pretty much became the same sock. So, lesson learned there. And then last but not least, my little blue Smurf socks. I think they came out pretty cute too. It's all blue. I had a lot of fun doing those socks, but as I was doing this and I was taking them out of the dryer, I realized, hold on, I can't do this. Okay, this is so much better. Probably looks a bit of a mess, but whatever. As I was doing this project, I realized I don't have enough practice. So we're gonna practice some more.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're
Day 2.
alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me more, more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me more, more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided.
I've officially finished all of the clothes and I'm done tie-dyeing. This is one of the shirts. I'm super excited. I love how all of them came out and I'm gonna show you guys in just a second, but first let me enjoy this cake. Now since everything is finished, I can proceed on now with my daily shenanigans. Nami! Come here, baby girl. There you are, schnookums. Quickly, let us make haste to the backyard.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. It's time for action. Are you ready? Let's go. It's time for action. Are you ready? Let's go. It's time for action. Are you ready? Let's go.
Gimpa?
It's time for action. For action. Action. Are you ready? Let's go. It's time for action. Are you ready? Let's go. It's time.
Alright, so this concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Shout out to all you guys who have supported me thus far. It has been so much fun. This journey is still going. We are still getting there. My goals have not changed for the beginning of the year. I still want to get 10K. I still want to help people. I still want people to enjoy the videos and have fun. I still enjoy making videos, having fun talking to you guys. Shout out to everybody who has watched this video so far. We have reached over 1,000 views. I am behooved at how that happened. I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed the video. I got so much positive feedback from that video. Thank you so much. I will try to make another video like that later on in the future, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be making videos every week, even though I am studying and all this other stuff is going on. I'm still trying to push these videos out for you guys. So yeah. Shout out to my comment winner. Thank you so much for being the realest MVP and watching my videos. If you guys have any questions about this video, don't forget to comment down below and let your mama know exactly what your thoughts are, how you felt about my tie-dyeing. Also, I will be doing a giveaway to 2 lucky Radiant Babe subscribers on my channel as a thank you for watching my video and supporting me all this time. I appreciate everything that you have done, all your comments, for watching the videos, for enjoying the videos for what they are and for who I am. This giveaway will be for you. I will be announcing it in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Anyway guys, that seems to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, make sure you watch these videos on the left, and if you want more Reeice, make sure you follow me on social media.